How to adjust technical targets when uncertainty rises. When uncertainty spikes, static price targets become fragile. You need to adjust, moving from fixed dollar levels to volatility-aware, multi-stage exits. Here's how, courtesy of FXCM. First, use volatility-adjusted targets with ATR. Calculate the average true range to define a realistic movement budget. For trend continuation trades, aim for 1.5 to 2 times ATR. For high uncertainty scalps, shorten that to 0.5 to 1 times ATR. Also run the ATR percentage filter, divide ATR by price. If that number is below 3%, markets are calm. Use standard levels. If it's above 8% to 15%, size down and tighten targets to catch quick spikes before they reverse. Second, adopt a multi-stage trim and trail strategy. Target 1, the pay myself level, set at 0.8 to 1 times ATR. Here, close half the position, move your stop to break even, and eliminate emotional pressure. Target 2 is the structural extension, a major liquidity pool like a previous quarterly high. For the runner, use a trailing stop based on 1.5 to 2 times ATR. That lets you capture extended moves without getting wicked out by normal volatility. Third, tactical adjustments. During high uncertainty events like the jobs report, use time-based exits. If a trade hasn't hit its target within a specific window, reduce exposure. Prolonged sideways action in a high volatility regime often precedes a violent reversal. For high conviction longs in the NASDAQ, consider small hedges with inverse ETFs or puts during event-driven spikes. The bottom line, calm markets get fixed levels. High uncertainty gets ATR-based trimming and trailing stops. Let volatility dictate your targets, not hope. Thanks to FXCM.